Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload Instagram Reels. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to start creating the Reel so you can upload it. So there are many ways to start uploading the Reels. So the first thing and is to click on this plus sign, and from here you will need to click on live on the Reel. By clicking on Reel, you will have many options. Either you can start creating from templates, and basically you will find many templates in uh, the net or the Instagram library, or you can start creating your own footage from scratch by recording and editing your video. So you can simply record, click next. You can start editing the video by adding the text, song, etc. Or you can simply start uploading an edited and ready video from your footage. So I'm just going to click on X and I'm just going to click on start over. Here I have Reel. Now I'm just going to here and choose this video that I have, and it can be as a Reel. Now you can start also adding some modification to the ready video by adding, for example, text or whatever. You can find many tools of modification. You click on next, and basically now you can just click on next and you will have your uh, reel that will be successfully uploaded to your Instagram. And basically you can just go here, add test, for example, and basically you can just edit the cover and do whatever you like, and then you will click on next and click on share, and by that you will have your reel that has been successfully uploaded. So thank you for watching and see you next time.